Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. For today I'm going to review the brand CAIA. I'm very curious, so let's get started. I ordered this beauty bag with my order, of course, and I thought honestly that it was bigger than that I got. But I think this is a small one, so okay, but I thought it would be bigger. For the first product, I've got the Natural Longwear Silk Foundation with hyaluronic acid and vitamin C. And there is SPF 20 in it, in the color 2N, so 2 natural. I hope it's my color, I don't know. I just made a choice by pictures, so sorry if I failed. The concealer, it's Iconic Concealer, also in 2N. It's much lighter if you put those two together besides each other, so. And I have their new That Extra Hour Long Lasting Setting Spray. So I'm very curious about this one as well. Before we are going in with the foundation, I'm going to prime my face with the Wear It All Start Cream by Nimia. It's a little bit tacky now. That's just what we want. It's very watery. These are 2 pumps. It's a little bit on the yellow side instead of the natural side. Okay, so no, it isn't my color, but we can manage. Yeah, it doesn't have any fragrance, but it truly smells a little funny. Okay, I really look like I tanned. You see? Okay, no hands near my face anymore or use a spray tan. So it's not my color, but the coverage is there. It has a natural finish if you use 2 pumps. It has a little bit of a glowy finish. I really like it. It's satiny glowy. The primer of Nimia also gives a glow, so I don't know if it's only the foundation or it's the combination of those two, but hey, I really like the glow. And the longer I look at it, the color isn't that bad, but only if I do it like this. Okay. We're going in with the also the same smell. Okay, so this is 2N concealer. I don't like the wand. It is just like a lip gloss wand. It's so small. I really like it a little bit bigger. Not that big as like Tarte or something, but yeah, the applicator, I like it if it's a little bit bigger than that. So the coverage is there in the concealer. You can see it hides away the discoloration underneath my eye. So that's something I'm very happy with. So this time I didn't need to use a color corrector underneath my eye. That's something where I test all my concealers on. Do I need it or not? Because I like to use as less products as I can. So also with the concealer, if I don't need to put any color corrector underneath it, I love it. So this concealer I like because the coverage is there. I don't need to hide anything else, so that's good. Only the wand of the concealer is a little bit too small. It's just the same as a lip gloss wand, and I just like it a little bit thicker. The foundation is very watery. But the pigmentation is there. It is really nice. It is looking, yeah, pretty flawless if you ask me. The color is maybe a little bit off for me, but I don't mind on this moment. If I just don't put my hands in my face, it's okay. So for this iconic concealer, I really liked it. It's lighter. It looks lighter than it is on your face because it melts in with the color of your foundation. The wand is a little bit small. It's more like a lip gloss wand. I like it a little bit thicker, not the big ass wands like Tarte or anything, but just in between. So that's the only thing I could find. The coverage is there. I really love it. So yeah. Before I'm going to use the setting spray, I'm going to do the rest of my makeup and I'll be right back. So to recap the products of CAIA, the foundation. The pigment is okay. The finish is a little bit shiny, radiant. I powdered it off so it is matte now. So that's where the setting spray later on is coming in. But for this one, I don't know for sure if it's maybe the primer combination with the foundation. But I was doing my brows and I had to correct something. So I went in with the concealer again. And it pulled away a layer of foundation right here. So it was a bold spot and it was cakey and I was like, oh my god girl, what's happening here? So I'm going to try this combination again without the primer and I will let you know soon how that went. So there is a follow-up video about this brand because I just wanted to give it a honest shot. So when I do that, I'm going to make a wear test of it. So we're not going to let this one go yet. We got the setting spray. Ooh, it's a very big head. I just expected just a tiny head, but okay, it's a very fine mist. This is a long-lasting setting spray. It doesn't say if it's a satiny finish, matte finish, or a glowy finish. So let's find out. Okay, it's so fine that you think it misses you, but if I see myself, it didn't miss me. Now we're going to dry before we dye. This one has a fragrance. It's in my mouth. Yeah, it has a fragrance. I don't hate it, but I don't love it either. The finish of my foundation is satiny. Yeah, I don't mind that finish. It's not too glowy, it's not too matte, it's just right in between. My eyes are glowy enough on this moment, so yeah. Let me know if you would love a wear test with this foundation and a honest test without a primer underneath it, because I think they are fighting on my face. And I was a little bit cakey because of that. So I want to give it an honest shot and a fair shot. So fair shot, wear test, leave it down below if you like it, then I'm going to do that. The rest is already said about the products. So if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you didn't already, please subscribe to my channel. I hope to see you next time with a wear test or any other video. And for now, bye!